In the heart of ancient China, where the mighty Yangtze River flows like a serpent through the verdant valleys, the sacred dynasty stands tall, its legacy etched in stone. Here the whispers of ancestors intertwine with the winds of change, heralding a tale of power, ambition, and destiny. At the center of this turbulent era is Emperor Zhou, a ruler burdened by the weight of his ancestors' expectations. As his empire flourishes, so too do the seeds of discontent. A rival faction, led by the cunning General Wei, seeks to usurp the throne, igniting a fierce battle in the heart of the empire. As the conflict escalates, alliances shift like the sands of time. Betrayal lurks from the shadows, as trusted advisors turn against the empire. The stakes rise. Not only is the throne at risk, but the very essence of the dynasty hangs in the balance. But in the midst of chaos, profound truth emerges. True power lies not in the sword, but in the heart. As battles rage across the land, it is the unity of the common folk that decide the fate of the empire. In the end, the dust of battle settles. With wisdom gained from turmoil, Emperor Zhou learns the value of compassion over tyranny. The dynasty, though scarred, rises anew, forever marked by the lessons of betrayal and unity, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people.